Well, hello everyone. Take a look at our pool. We had our liner replaced with a dark liner. It looks black in the sunshine, but once it has water in it, it's a nice deep blue. One of the nice features about this particular liner is that it heats the water up a lot quicker in the spring and keeps it warmer during the late summer, early fall. So you get more use without having to pay for a water heater for your pool. So that's a little intro to a beautiful pool liner. So thank you so much.
We'd like to ask that you please subscribe, hit the like button, and the notify to stay current with our content. Thank you.